2x minus y plus z is equal to 5. This is equation 1. X minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. Equation 2. 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to negative 3. This is equation 3. Solve the system of equations above for the unknowns x, y, and z. That means we have to find the values of x, y, and z such that when we insert them in the three equations, we are going to obtain the constants we have at the right hand sides. For us to solve this system, first we are going to choose one of the variables in any of the equations. We make it the subject of formula. After making that variable the subject of formula, we are going to insert it in the other two equations which have not been used. We are going to make z the subject of formula in equation 1. Take down solution. First, we are going to start by making z the subject of formula in equation 1. That is, in equation 1, we have 2x minus y plus z is equal to 5. Then, keeping z alone at the left hand side, it will simply be equal to 5 minus 2x plus y. We are going to call this equation 4. Next, we are going to insert equation 4 into the two other equations which have not been used, that is equation 2 and equation 3. Putting equation 4 into equation 2 and equation 3, i.e. that is in equation 2 and equation 3, we are going to replace z with 5 minus 2x plus y. So this will give us x minus 3y plus 2 times 5 minus 2x plus y is equal to 2. In equation 3, it becomes 2x plus y plus 4 times. We are going to replace z with 5 minus 2x plus y. This is equal to negative 3. Next, we are going to expand the brackets in the two equations. Then we add or subtract the like terms. This will give us, in equation 2, we have x minus 3y plus, expanding this bracket, 2 times 5 gives us 10. 2 times negative 2x gives us negative 4x. 2 times y gives us 2y is equal to 2. Equation 3 becomes 2x plus y plus, we have to expand this bracket, 4 times 5 gives us 20. 4 times negative 2x gives us negative 8x. 4 times y plus 4y is equal to negative 3. This will give us x minus 4x gives us negative 3x. Negative 3y plus 2y gives us negative y is equal to 2. We are going to transfer 10 to the right hand side, which becomes negative 10. 2 minus 10. 2x minus 8x gives us negative 6x. y plus 4y gives us 5y is equal to negative 3 minus 20. This will give us negative 3x minus y is equal to 2 minus 10, which is negative 8. Negative 6x plus 5y is equal to negative 3 minus 20 gives us negative 23. We call this one equation I. We call this one equation 2I. Next step, we have to solve this pair of simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns for x and y. We are going to make use of the method of substitution. We are going to make y the subject of formula of equation I. Equation I, we have negative 3x minus y is equal to negative 8. Then we have to make y the subject of formula. That means we want y to be either at the left hand side or at the right hand side alone. We are going to transfer negative y to the right so that it becomes positive. Then we transfer negative 8 to the left. This will give us negative 3x plus 8 is equal to y, which is the same as saying y is equal to 8 minus 3x. We call this one equation 3I. Next step, we are going to put equation 3I into equation 2I, which has not been used. That means in equation 2I, anywhere we see y, we have to replace y with 8 minus 3x. This will give us negative 6x plus 5 times 8 minus 3x is equal to negative 23. This will give us negative 6x plus, we have to expand this bracket, 5 times 8, it gives us 40. 5 times negative 3x gives us a negative 15x is equal to negative 23. Negative 6x minus 15x gives us negative 21x is equal to negative 23 minus 40. This will give us negative 21x is equal to negative 23 minus 40 gives us negative 63. Then, for us to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 21. Negative 21x divided by negative 21 is equal to negative 63 divided by negative 21. This will imply that x will be equal to, we are dividing two negative numbers, so the result will be positive. 63 divided by 21 gives us 3. This is the value of x. Knowing the value of x, we can find y by making use of equation 3I. Now let's find y. Putting x equal to 3 into equation 3I, that means in equation 3I, anywhere we see x, we have to replace x with 3, i.e. that is y will be equal to 8 minus 3 times 3, which is equal to 8 minus 3 times 3 gives us 9. 8 minus 9 gives us negative 1. The value of y is negative 1. Knowing the value of y, it is very easy for us to find z. Remember, we know the value of x, we know the value of y. Now we have to find z. For us to find z, we are going to make good use of equation 4, because in equation 4, z is already the subject of formula. We take this down, putting x equal to 3 and y equal to negative 1 into equation 4, i.e. that is in equation 4, z is equal to 5 minus 2x, 2 times the value of x, which is 3, plus y, which is negative 1. This is simply equal to 5 minus 2 times 3 gives us 6. Positive, negative stays here. This will simply be equal to 5 minus 6 gives us negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 gives us negative 2. Then we conclude, therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 1, and z is equal to negative 2. With the values of x, y, and z, let's verify to see if these results are correct. So we are going to insert them at the left hand side of this our equation. Then we simplify to see if we are going to obtain the corresponding values at the right hand side. We are going to make use of one of the equation. Let's make use of equation 1 to see if we are going to obtain 5. Let's take the verification. The left hand side of equation 1 is 2x minus y plus z. This will simply be equal to 2 times. We replace x with the value of x, which is 3, minus the value of y, which is negative 1, plus z, which is negative 2. So this will give us 2 times 3, which is 6. Negative gives us positive, 6 plus 1. Positive, negative stays. This will simply be equal to 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 7 minus 2 gives us 5, which is true. This is it. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 1, and z is equal to negative 2. This is how we solve a system of 3 equations with 3 unknowns. If in case you have any worries in what we have just done, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.